Well, it was another cold morning this morning, but that might be the last wintry-like morning for a while, at least for southern Minnesota. Temperatures start to warm up today. We've got a few showers on the way next couple days with some snow in northeastern Minnesota and much warmer temperatures by the weekend. Yeah, downright winter-like. Below zero up on Seagull Lake in the Boundary Waters. Grand Marais was 6 below zero earlier this morning. Lots of single digits throughout northeastern Minnesota. 20s across southern Minnesota, sub-freezing, but not nearly as dramatically colder. 24 at MSP, coldest reading in a little more than 2 weeks, and that might be the coldest we see in a while here. Looking through the next couple of weeks, temperatures are much warmer, and then that takes us to late April, which harder and harder to get anything significant as far as cold air. We've got just a few high clouds moving through today. Warmer already, a good 10-degree jump up in temperatures. Near 50 in the Twin Cities, I think into the 50s for southwestern Minnesota. Still 40s, 30s, and even just near 30 in the Arrowhead region. But high pressure starts to today. Still sunshine, but we get in this return flow, we call it, where air will be coming from the south again between that approaching low for the next couple of days and that high pressure that departs. So we will start to see some rain and, yes, even snow showers in northeastern Minnesota where it will be colder tomorrow already. But it's going to be warmer tomorrow too, despite an increase in cloud cover. Southern Minnesota will be warmer. We'll see a little more sun. 60 in the Twin Cities, probably into the 60s for southwestern Minnesota. But we'll start to see some showers already early tomorrow. And yes, you can see some snow showers mixing in with the rain into parts of northeastern Minnesota, especially the North Shore. It looks like around Silver Bay, we could get up to a couple of inches of some fresh, slushy snow tomorrow into tomorrow night. Well, further south, these showers are really going to be much more isolated and spotty into tomorrow and Thursday. But we will see, as I mentioned, a bit more in the way of cloud cover. As far as total precip, this is liquid equivalent. Most significant in northeastern Minnesota, but even there, we're talking a quarter of an inch of precip or less. And then as you see further south, it's going to be really trace amounts here, probably a tenth of an inch or less for the Twin Cities in southern Minnesota. But yeah, a little pocket of snow there where it'll be just cold enough tomorrow into tomorrow night. Again, a couple of inches around the North Shore. Some models hinting at maybe 3-4 inches. We'll have to see how that pans out. These are going to be very small, narrow areas of snow bands. And then cold air departs. This is the upper level pattern. We have an upper level ridge building in. That's high pressure aloft in the middle of the atmosphere. That means warm air for us. Temperatures are going to be above normal for the end of the week into the weekend. By Sunday, widespread 70s here across southern Minnesota. In fact, probably low, maybe even mid 70s for the southwestern part of the state. So that's pretty nice. About 20 degrees above normal almost by Sunday. And Sunday will also bring the next system potentially. Now, the European model is the most aggressive right now with showers kind of widespread Sunday across the state. If that happens, we may not hit that 70-degree mark, though. We might be below that if we have that much shower activity and clouds. So we'll be watching that for the second half of the weekend. Models still different on timing and placement of those potential showers, but tomorrow and Thursday, pretty insignificant system, very hit and miss for us in the southern half of the state. This is not a repeat of the last several systems we've had, which have been soakers for both rainfall and snowfall across the state. These are more of a minor clipper system kind of moving through tomorrow. Near 50 today, lots of sun. Tomorrow, Thursday, more clouds, but it will still be warmer. Just a warmer air mass here coming in behind that brief but potent chunk of cold we had the last 36 hours. And then it's back to spring fever as we head into the weekend.